2025 Japandi Decor, merging nature with cutting-edge furniture trends for modern interiors. In 2025, Japandi design remains an enchanting style, seamlessly blending the cozy warmth of Scandinavian aesthetics with the clean, understated elegance of Japanese minimalism. This harmonious fusion continues to evolve, emphasizing key decor elements that bring natural textures and sustainable materials to the forefront. The essence of Japandi lies in its ability to create tranquil spaces through thoughtful design choices. Picture interiors adorned with organic wooden furniture, exuding warmth and authenticity, paired with linen upholstery that adds a touch of softness and sophistication. Handcrafted ceramics further enhance the connection to nature, bringing an artisanal feel that celebrates craftsmanship and tradition. A major highlight of this year's Japandi trend is the integration of statement lighting, which acts as both a functional element and a piece of art. Lighting fixtures with clean lines and natural materials not only illuminate spaces but also contribute to the overall aesthetic by providing layers of texture and dimension. The strategic use of light and shadow adds to the tranquil ambience, making each room feel more expansive and inviting. Functional decor, such as open shelving and multi-purpose furniture, ensures that every piece serves both aesthetic and practical purposes, reinforcing the Japandi ethos of simplicity and efficiency. This year's furniture trends in Japandi interiors are marked by a nod to timeless craftsmanship infused with contemporary design twists. Furniture pieces like sleek wooden tables with gently curved edges, or modular sofas enveloped in soft earthy tones, seamlessly blend form and function. Accent chairs with sculptural designs become focal points, simultaneously offering comfort and visual intrigue. Natural fiber rugs and woven storage baskets introduce layers of texture, while eco-friendly decor accents underscore a commitment to sustainability. Adopting a Japandi style in your home in 2025 involves purposeful choices and personalized touches that transform spaces into calm sanctuaries. Whether it's a feature wall clad in textured panels, a cozy nook draped with plush throw blankets, or an elegant tea corner set with handmade pottery, each element contributes to a serene ambience that mirrors the tranquility found in natural settings. This style invites you to curate your environment by reflecting nature's beauty in ways that are effortlessly modern and deeply meaningful. Open layouts, generous use of soft lighting, and decor that resonates with personal significance allow your space to breathe and become a haven of peace and harmony. Through these mindful design choices, Japandi interiors in 2025 continue to capture hearts, offering a timeless retreat that balances simplicity with sophistication.